My name's Dean Smith. I live in Jerrabomberra, New South Wales. I'm a professional caddy, full-time dad. I was caddying up in Japan and was introduced to the onsens, where you do the sauna into the cold plunge pools and back again. And Canberra is not the ideal spot to have a pool with, you're probably swimming in it a couple of months of the year. It made sense that I'd have a plunge pool, so to complement that was the sauna. Found out about Found Space through a friend here in Canberra that installed one himself, and he talked about it. He might have had his for about 12 months before we decided on doing anything like this. I knew he would have done the research for the best product that he could find, and that was good enough for me, that recommendation. So yeah, jumped online, dealt with Jamie over the phone, had a good conversation with her what would suit the property, and yeah, everything else just fell into place. Good health benefits and revitalise you. I find it tremendous to help me sleep as well. Just reinvigorates you. It's a terrific product. My experience with Found Space has been terrific. Jamie, I can't recommend highly enough. She was very understanding, talked me through the process, described the models that were available, what would best suit us. I think we've ended up with the right product. Very satisfied with the end result. The infrared, I've only really experienced the steam saunas, so the infrared was a different technology again. The Bluetooth was a pleasant surprise, being able to sit in there and listen to a podcast or music at the time. I spend half an hour and it just goes like minutes. Yeah, it's good. There's a number of elements that I've found beneficial with the sauna. One being the revitalisation. I find after a round of golf I can jump in there and just reinvigorate you, especially getting the plunge pool back in the sauna. And then there's days you just feel flat, so I'll just go jump in the sauna, sometimes not even use the plunge, and just, yeah, it helps sweat out all the impurities that might be in me after maybe a session with the boys. And it helps me sleep at night, I feel, as well. I'm not the best of sleepers at times, and I find that a session in there and then a shower before bed, I doze off almost instantly. It's really good. Access with a sauna in the backyard, it's convenient, so you can use it. I use it most days. Not many days I don't do it, and whether it's morning or evening, I find a great benefit of it. The build quality of the barrel's been really good. Surprisingly simple to see that it's set up, but sturdy, and we've had it built into the surrounds now, the backyard renovation. It's really good, simple to use, and no trouble at all. I recommend it. If I was to describe my experience with Found Space in one word, it'd be pleasurable.